is going first, so sorry for the confusion. Okay.
All right. Okay.
Thanks everyone, and thanks everyone for joining. And apologies for the glitch. We always expected this to happen. Welcome to the sixth GW Open Data Workshop. This is the second time that we are going in this hybrid mode. And this is mainly possible, this workshop has been really possible because of the contributions from the whole LIGO, Virgo, Kagra collaboration members. And you will meet some of them as mentors, both online and offline. And they're also, some of us are the co-organizers who are also present in this call, like Simone, Agatha, and Greg Ashton. Just to explain how this meeting is going to happen, this meeting has it's mostly consisted of three parts. And let me share my screen. Yeah. So, right, if you can see my screen, so this is basically the landing page of the Open Data Workshop. So you go to this GWOSC, and from the workshops page, you can find the sixth Open Data Workshop web page. And I'm sure most of you have registered here, and we will have the initial lectures, which are going to be online, so which you can find here. And these lectures are either you can see them on Zoom, or you can watch the live stream on YouTube, and we will also make the video available on YouTube later. So today we will have a couple of lectures, one by Victoria Xu and the other by Eric. And apart from the lectures, we will have the tutorial sessions. So you can go to the from the online course, which is not here. Yeah, right. You can go to this ThinkFig page, and then if you click on the Open Data Workshop, you can go and find the entire course here. So you can go through all the sessions, the lectures and the tutorials, and once you complete this, you will be given a certificate. The other part is there will be, if you are joining an offline or in-person study hub, then there will be mentors who will help you go through the tutorials. Okay, so do appreciate the mentors who are going to help you out, because they are the reason why this workshop is happening. I think this is most of it that I want to tell you right now. And if any of the co-organizers want to say something, this might be a time.
Yes, sorry, Pratim. I think we need to make a co-host also Victoria Xu, because we haven't done it yet.
I thought I made that, but let me just check.
Yeah, probably you pick up the wrong person by mistake.
Oh, okay.
And in the meantime, let me also add that if you want to ask any question during the talk of our scientists, you can do it using the Ask Iguin forum, which you can find it here. Let me send the link to the general chat. So the first day questions can be posted here. And oh, just a second, sorry. Here, I put a link in the chat, and all the mentors will try to reply to your questions. So I think we are done, and maybe we can start with Victoria, right?
Sorry, this is the link for the question to the tutorials. There is another topic specific for the lectures.
Oh, sorry, apologies. Too many links.
And
Too many links.
Yes, Because I sent both link in the email of the remark for the reminder of the meeting yesterday.
Okay, then this should be the correct one, right?
Yes, but they both
Thank
are
you.
indeed, one for the lectures, one for the tutorials.
Okay, I think Agatha, you want to take it away, right? To introduce Victoria.
So I can do this. I think I was supposed to do this. Sorry. So about the ask.igwin, yes, I was going to say that. So for the lecture sessions, we have separate links for the lecture sessions as well as the tutorials where you can post your questions. So it's better that you post your questions in the respective links so that it doesn't get decluttered. And so you will find for every day there are links for the questions as well as for the tutorials. So now moving on to the main section